Sada anubhuyamanoyam deho na vidyate katham. How can you say that is body which is constantly experienced by us? How it can be said that it is not real? Kumbhavacha akaranam hi yad vastu tad mithya rajju sarpavat. This body identification has no cause except foolishness. Because you have never inquired. That which disappears after inquiry is illusion. See? Adhyaha pitamaho brahma jagataha karanam nakim. Now this king is again and again getting lost of what he has heard earlier. See? So, Adhyaha pitamaha brahmaha jagataha karanam nakim. He is asking question. The Brahmaji, Pitamaha, is he not the first cause of this world? Jagataha karanam nakim. Kumbhavacha sargadau kevalam shantam brahmaiva vidyate param dvitiya kalana bhavat vedasosti na karanam. See? Sargadau kevalam shantam. Before the creation, sadeva someidam agramasid. See? Before the creation, there was only absolute reality, the Brahman. So, sargadau kevalam shantam brahma eva vidyate param. Before the creation means before even the Brahmaji, the Brahman, the reality was always there. Dvitiya kalana bhavat vedasa asti na karanam. Dvitiya kalana bhavat, by the notion of otherness. Vedasa asti. This is called as the Vedasa or the Brahmaji. Natu karanam. But the Brahmaji is not the karanam. It is the Brahman. See? But our attention is only on the Brahmaji, not the Brahman which is expressing as Brahmaji. Like our attention is on the objects which are illuminated by the light in the room. Our attention is not on the light and never our attention on the electricity. In the same manner, because we are too extrovert, we can catch only the gross. We catch only the objects, but we never catch the sense organs. If you start this technique which we told you, objects are specific color form. The eyes illuminating the object are non-specific. They are not vishesh. They are common for all the colors and forms. The sense organs are specific for 5 different objects. Mind is a common for all. Now the likes and dislikes are specific in the mind. Intellect is common for both likes and dislikes. The discrimination is specific for the intellect, asat, asat, and the truth is beyond sat, asat. See, this we have to catch. That which doesn't have a cause is the causeless reality. And that is what is our essential nature. Sargado kevalam shantam brahmaiva vidyate param dvitiya kalana bhavat vedasosti. You can read this verse in 2 ways. Dvitiya kalana bhavat vedasa asti. Because of the acceptance of the creation, the Brahmaji is there. And dvitiya kalana abhavat vedasa asti na. See, if there is no secondness or there is no creation accepted, then there is no creator, no cause. So the truth is the causeless existence. See, get this verse very important. Sargado kevalam shantam brahmaiva vidyate param and dvitiya kalana bhavat vedasa asti. When you are talking with respect to the world, then you have to tell what is the cause of the world, Brahmaji. But dvitiya kalana abhavat, if there is no otherness is ever recognized, then no Vedas, no Brahmaji, only the truth remains.